Hi Year 7. So today's Flick video is going to be about the design process. So we've done this a few times throughout the year already, but what I want to do is I just want to refresh your memory about how the design process works and what we need to do throughout the process of our project to meet the requirements of the design process. So if you remember back to term 1, the first step of the design process in the middle is evaluate. Now what that means is throughout the entire process, evaluate is at the center of what we do. Okay, so I'll just draw a little circle around that. Okay, because that way everything's going to refer back to evaluate. Now, the next step, well, the first step of the design process is the situation. Okay, so what that is telling us that we have to describe what the situation of the project is, what we're doing. Okay, the situation of the entire project. Once you've identified the situation, you need to then identify the need. Okay, we need to identify the need. So that means we need to explain why we're doing the project that we're doing, what we need to do, the need for what we're doing. Okay, remember these two that we've already done, you need to throughout each section evaluate the processes that you took. Okay, so this really should have a backwards arrow. Okay, going back and forth every time. After each section you need to evaluate. Okay, the next section is, remember, going back here, think of and research ideas. Okay, so that's our research phase of the design process. Okay, so what we do is we come up with the ideas that we need to use, all right, and then we research. So research being the key word. Now at the end of your research, again, you need to evaluate. You need to evaluate your research to make sure that it makes sense, okay, and it covers what we need to cover. All right, after the research phase, we have the development of ideas. Okay, now what that's saying is you need to develop your ideas according to your research. Okay, so using your research, you come up with any ideas that you need, okay, to make the project. So in terms of Skylab, you research all your different areas and then you design your plan according to that area. Okay, now once that's done, okay, we need to come out here. So again, double-ended, okay, and it's make the product. So once you've developed your ideas and had them signed off by me, that's when we make the product. Now within making the product, you need to remember that we have steps of construction, record of development, all these processes that we've probably been a bit slow on this year so far. For this project, this needs to improve. Okay, so making the product includes record of development and steps of construction. Okay, now they need to be within your making the product section. So it's not only prep, it's also the theory side of it as well. Okay, and then once that section's done, okay, we have evaluation again. Now, the difference between this evaluation and this evaluation is this one is at the center, so we're evaluating each section, remember? Each section gets evaluated. Now, this evaluation here, what that one is, you're evaluating the entire project at once. Okay, so you're not only evaluating each section individually, you have to do an overall evaluation. Okay, Now I hope that makes sense, and I hope that makes it clearer for you, and you can refer back to this video throughout the assessment task. Any questions, let me know in class, but good luck, and I can't wait to make these planes. See you guys.